Hi, and welcome to Unit 17, located at 266 Harwell Road here in South Jinglepot. We're just minutes to Westwood Lake Park, the Parkway, and the university. Inside, we've got a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, main level entry townhome with over 900 square feet of interior living space. Let me show you around. This 2-bedroom, 1-bath, ground level condo is located close to the university with easy access to the highway and a short walk to Westwood Lake. With over 900 square feet of living space, there is ample storage and in-suite laundry. The large living room and open concept floor plan gets a ton of natural light. This unit is in a quiet complex and includes a covered parking stall. The condo is perfect for a student looking for an affordable, centrally located townhome, or a downsizer looking for a living arrangement with minimal stairs. Unit 17, 266 Harwell is an affordable living space that has the feel of a detached home. For a full information package that includes floor plans and all the other details, or to book a private showing, you can reach out to me or my team at johncooper.ca. I'm John Cooper with John Cooper & Associates, eXp Realty, and we are ready when you are.